everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today in this video I'm going to be sharing why I use epoxy to finish my tables. As you might know, I'm a pretty big fan of epoxy and how it looks and how it works. It's quite a crazy product actually. How the whole chemical reaction happens to make something very hard and durable. And my first point is, the main reason I use epoxy is because it is, lots of the wood I use is poplar, because that's what's cheap and affordable for me, and it's quite a popular wood in my bush here that I have, and which that's what I have access to. So that epoxy, because the one that I use penetrates it quite deep and makes it hard and durable, allows me to have more profits in my business and for the tables because it's cheaper. And poplar allows me just to use poplar, which is a wood that I have access to. And I think lots of people quite like the look of poplar, because if you get some black poplar or BAM, I guess you'd call it, has very unique colors, like lots of reds and browns and even some green. It's blues and stuff like that. So that's the first reason. Second reason is you can make it look pretty nice, and epoxy is very good at this in bringing out the colors, and that's something that I really like from that, is it really enhances the colors and making it just look nicer. Plus, a big thing with the epoxy is lots of people don't like it because it is a little bit finicky to use and has maybe some health hazards if you don't use the right stuff. The stuff that I use is all safe, and it says it has no odor for that as well. But anyways, the stuff that I use, lots of people don't like to use it because it's pretty hard to make perfectly smooth. But if you get it perfectly smooth, it just makes it look a lot nicer, and it is durable. Stuff that I use doesn't scratch easy. I've had lots of stuff for years, and it doesn't deteriorate very fast at all. I haven't had any problems with my stuff. I've had some stuff, first time I used it built something with it was about 4 years ago. And also, it's very cleanable. That's a big thing when it comes to having something wood, is that it's cleanable and it's moisture resistant, so you can go over top with a wet cloth and it won't wreck the wood underneath. That is a big thing. And it's safe for food and stuff like that. Overall, it's just a very nice finish if you get it good. There are problems if you have a bad mixture, and then it's gooey, and then it's a lot of work to sand, and it goes through sandpaper like crazy, sanding epoxy. But and that's where you do need the mask. But yeah, it is a very good product, and very good for my live edge, because it allows me to use poplar wood in my tables. But anyways, that's my case of why I like using epoxy, and please subscribe. Thanks for watching.